Number 5 is Monoprice Voxel 3D Printer. Introducing the Monoprice Voxel 3D Printer, the Mac user's dream machine for unleashing your creative genius. Prepare to be blown away by its incredible features, seamless functionality, and unmatched convenience. This printer is a true game changer. Say goodbye to the hassle of tedious nozzle replacements. With Voxel's revolutionary quick-change nozzle, you can switch nozzles in a flash without needing any tools. It's like having a magical wand for your printing needs. The Voxel's removable, flexible build plate removes the frustration of model removal. Flex the plate, and your masterpiece effortlessly pops off, leaving you amazed at the ease of it all. And if the build plate needs some TLC or you're eager to dive into another project immediately, swap it out with a spare and get right back to printing perfection. It's like having a backup dancer ready to step in when needed. Did we mention that Voxel's build plate can be heated to 60 degrees Celsius? It creates the optimal printing environment for your creations, always ensuring top-notch results. Your models will come out smoother than a freshly frosted cupcake. So if you want to buy the fast and reliable 3D printer, check out the link in the description box. That's all from us in today's video. Hope you enjoyed this overview of the best 3D printer for Mac. If you like any of these best 3D printers, then check out the link provided in the description box below to purchase them right now. Thanks for watching! And please don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our Sublimation Focus channel for more amazing upcoming videos.